We all love music, but paying for two premium accounts can get expensive. So what if you could share one account and still get all the awesome benefits of Spotify Premium? That's where Spotify Duo Premium comes in. So here's how to set it up and start enjoying music together. So first, go to the Spotify website or open the app and choose the Spotify Duo plan. You're going to be able to share the account with one other person. Next, invite your friend or family member to join by sending them an invite link. Make sure that they live at the same address, as this is a requirement for the Duo Premium, okay? Now, once they accept the invite, you're both ready to enjoy your own playlists, no ads, and the ability to skip tracks as much as you want. If you want to customize your playlists, you can both create your own playlists, and Spotify will recommend new music based on your tastes, okay? So to start sharing, and enjoying all the benefits of premium without the high price tag, this is how to do it. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, leave a comment, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for being here. Love you. Ciao.